Stop Instagram from making your account appear in suggestions. To disable account suggestions, you can't use the Instagram app. Instead, open a web browser like Chrome on your phone. Head over to Instagram.com and tap Login. Enter your username and password to log in. Once you're in, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select Edit Profile right below your username. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and switch off the toggle next to Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. Once that's turned off, your Instagram account will no longer pop up as a suggestion on anyone else's profile.